Solo ads are a great way to drive traffic to your sites and to build a list. If you don't know what a solo ad is, it's where you pay somebody to email their list of subscribers and to email them your offer, whether it's a paid or a free offer. Most commonly, it's a free offer where they would opt in for something to get onto your list. So therefore, it's a great list building tool. Now, in this video series, I'm going to be showing you 6 solo ad vendors or list brokers that can tap into millions of subscribers. I mean, the smallest solo ad provider here has about 60,000 subscribers, but that's the exception. All the others have access to millions of subscribers. So this is not your typical solo ad Rolodex in which they just show you various solo ad vendors that have lists of 5,000 to 50,000. Okay, we're talking about big solo ad vendors here and list brokers. Okay, another thing that makes this different from most solo ad courses or Rolodexes is that this one doesn't cater just to the internet marketing niche. Because if you look around online, look for solo ad courses or Rolodexes, they usually just provide you with a list of solo ad vendors that cater to the internet marketing niche. Okay, so in this video series, I'm going to be showing you the vendors that cater to not just internet marketing, but all types of niches from health, finance, political, self-help, almost anything that you can think of. If you're involved in any type of niche marketing, some of these solo ad providers may be of help to you. All right, so with that said, let's move on from here and let's check out the first solo ad provider on my list here. So we'll see you in the next video.